Hi, this is Annie from the QuickBooks team. You can create 1099s in QuickBooks Online to send to your contractors and e-file with the IRS. Let's go over how to prepare your 1099s and where you can e-file them with QuickBooks Online after January 1st. Note that 1099s are due to contractors by January 31st. For filing due dates and guidelines, visit irs.gov. To start creating 1099s, go to Payroll, then Contractors. Select Prepare 1099s. Review your company info. If you need to make any changes, select Edit. When you finish reviewing your info, select Confirm Info and start filing. Match your 1099 accounts to the boxes on the 1099 forms. Note, if you have previously mapped accounts, you'll already see your accounts and boxes listed. For this example, we'll show you how to map from the beginning. If you aren't sure what accounts you used to pay your 1099 vendors or to see a list of your vendor payments, use these links to view detailed reports. Choose Select Accounts to open a list of your accounts. Select the accounts you categorized your 1099 payments to. Note, if you have contractor payments or payroll without a QuickBooks accounting subscription, you'll see two accounts: contractor payments or contractor reimbursements. Map each account to the appropriate 1099 NEC or MISC box. You can map multiple accounts to the same 1099 box. When you're done, select Next. On the Tracked for 1099 tab, you'll see contractors who are tagged as 1099 vendors and have reportable income. If you need to make changes to contractor info, select Edit. Review the reportable total column next to each contractor. These are the amounts that are reportable on a 1099 NEC or MISC. To see payments not included, change the view to non-reportable payments only. Review the tooltip for more details about what is included. If you want to see a report of the transactions for that specific contractor, select the total amount. If you're missing a contractor from your Tracked for 1099 list, go to the Not Tracked for 1099 tab. Select Add to Tracked List, then Back to see them on the Tracked for 1099 tab. Select the contractors who should receive a 1099. Select Next. Now you can preview your finished forms. First, you'll see your NECs. Review each 1099 box amount here, or select Preview to see a summary of the amounts. Select Next. Now you're ready to file your 1099s. You have two options to file 1099. E-file your 1099s in QuickBooks Online, and we'll send them to the IRS and your contractors. Or you can print and do it yourself. Depending on your subscription, you may need to pay to e-file or it may be included. And that's it. Now your 1099s are complete. Select View Submitted 1099s to see a list of your 1099s. If you need to see the list later, go to Taxes, then 1099 Filings anytime. Now you're ready to create 1099s for your contractors in QuickBooks Online.